And let's obviously start with Evergrande. How much has your view shifted today, especially given that we've had statements out from the chairman of Evergrande the last hour saying he's confident the company will, quote, walk out of its darkest moment?
Well, I'm still skeptical, to be totally honest. I think if you look at the numbers, they face sort of serious challenges. Not quite clear what the game plan is to get out of this dark hour, to be honest.
I mean, they say their game plan is they're going to fulfill responsibilities to property buyers, investors, partners and financial institutions, but they don't exactly outline how they're going to do that. And we're talking about just a huge amount here, $305 billion in liability. So if you do still see a risk, how do you see that playing out across China, across Hong Kong and globally?
Yeah, I think there's a variety of ways. I think you see, the risk, there's the depositors or the people that have put down money for houses. And then there's the financial institutions, the market. And I think those two sets of liabilities might be dealt with in quite different ways. Certainly from a policy point of view, the Chinese government might view those as not the same at all. The contagion effect across markets, what we learned through Lehman and in subsequent episodes, extremely difficult to forecast, because you don't know where the liabilities sit, you don't know who owns the assets, and you don't know necessarily what happens to them and their risk appetite when they take losses on Evergrande or related exposure. It's extremely tough to forecast.